timelines. I mean, this is not a sprint but a marathon. So we are going to basically focus on this in the second half of this year, which is up to December. So it's a 6-month run that we're going to embark on. We've already started. This is the start. We've reviewed the 12 sectors so far, going into depth regarding various fees that need to be paid, levies and so forth, paid by operators in these various sectors. So the next 6 months, the work will be done, and we've started already. So we're going to be making a series of announcements as we go along, sector by sector, to make sure that all the key critical sectors are covered. We should, next week, week after, conclude on the agricultural sector, and we'll be making announcements about specific fees and reviews of fees and levies for the agricultural sector. So that will be the first sector we'll consider. Then now you asked about whether we're just looking at these 12 or we'll do more. We'll do all of them. These 12 are the most critical in terms of drivers of economic growth and development. And that's where we start. In fact, our sequence was we'll look at agriculture, followed by the retail sector, tourism, transport, manufacturing, energy, and we keep going. That's, for example, the first 6 or so that we'll look at. And then we make announcements as we go along. Does this signal a shift in government regarding fiscal policy? No, this is about the cost of doing business, not fiscal policy. It's about the regulatory costs and the environment for doing business. Of course, fiscal policy can add, and this is part of the environment for doing business. On fiscal policy, in fact, what has happened is that we'll notice that what we call the informal sector, or the non-compliant sector, as I call it, has grown over time, and there's a need to just begin to collect more revenue from that sector. Our revenue GDP ratio currently is down 15% after the rebasing, given the growth in GDP